Now let's see your progress. Yeah, I just reopened it once again after having shut it down and closed it. Found that still one key was remaining, producing that weird voice. And now I reopen it once again, and what I want is us to see it now clear before I close it once again, so that we prove that every key in this is okay. Okay. Now here just make sure that everything is okay. Okay. This was the key that was bringing the problem. At first, before I when I opened it first, this was the one that was producing the problem, and the three here, the three this one. Okay. So it was this one that will produce the problem, this one here, and this one, and this one, and the two of these. Okay. Now when I prepare it, it shifted from here, 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 and here to here. Okay. But now I've made sure that this is okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. See? This is okay, and the one that had been shifted is okay. That's ready to go. Love your guy. By the way, I appreciate your time watching me. It's such a great privilege seeing a great friend like you. In this world, having friends who can see you watch you is an honor. So I take that as a great honor and a great privilege. Love you.